Okay, for federal maintenance, I'm over here at the MRI place on Westpark. Upon arrival, I got on the roof, checked all of my vents. I got to this 3-inch vent that's inside this trapped-in wall here with the odor hog on it. I had no smell. I took the odor hog charcoal bag out, and then I got a massive whiff. And now it's dissipated, but it's like the air was trapped. The charcoal was too thick for the air to come out. I'm getting ready to run my camera down this vent. Okay, now I'm in the sanitary line. I've got Dalton going to go flush the toilets for me. Okay, he's just now flushing the toilets. I hear it through the vent. As you can see the water passing by me. There's the other toilet. Okay. Yeah, I saw them both come by. So, I mean, the line's kind of dirty. You know, I can see like a dirty line wall in here, but I don't see nothing penetrating. But man, this vent just stinks bad, dude. You know, because it's right here by the toilets. And like I said, we weren't getting that smell when I first got up here. You know what I'm saying? Now it's venting out. So, we'll see. All right, come on. Okay, again, what I've done is I pulled the charcoal pack off this vent. I was not getting any smell whatsoever until I removed the charcoal pack. Now it's venting, and I think it's allowing that smell to escape where it was trapped inside the facility. I'm going to leave the manager here my business card and have her call me in the morning to see if this makes a difference. But as you can see, and I'm seeing, I've got no penetrations through the walls or through my vents.